How to delete your transaction history or activities on the Wise app. If you'd like to delete your transaction history or activities on the Wise app, it is actually quite very simple to do so, because all you have to do is go ahead and then first of all make sure to launch the Wise application right here and make sure that you're signed into your account. Once you're signed into your account, this is the interface that you will be able to see. Now here, right here, you can see all activities section. So basically you'll see all activities across all of your accounts or balance account that you've created. Now if you want to view the specific details of a certain activity, that also you can do by just tapping on it, and you'll see the specific details of that activity, from where you move the money to which, whom, converted, or whatever else it was. You will see all of the purpose and the remarks right there. This way you'll be able to find and view all of your activities on Wise. I hope that this video helped you. If you have got any further questions, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section. As always, thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.